Protogen Sounds. Yes, we are going to make Protogen Sounds. You might not believe me, which is fine, but we are going to create Protogen Sounds. And I will teach you how. So first, you need to get something to create your sounds with. I don't care what you use. You can use FL Studio, GarageBand, Minecraft notebooks. No, I'm kidding. I prefer you use FL Studio, an actual professional looking plugin. And we open our doors, which is Fruit Loops. Then you got the following. You need to get a good plugin. Oh, you don't have the money to get a good plugin? Well, fuck you. There it is, our baby. Our baby. Great, we just created sounds. We are already, you know how... So you first go to template and go to an analog triple VCO, which is literally a simple sound like this. And I noticed that's the wrong one, default, which is gonna be this. If you're funny, you can go 2 octaves higher and you can say a f***. Okay, so we are there. Now, of course, this is not how a Protogen sounds. So we need to make it get... What we need is a square wave. And we have that, so we go to the wavetable and make it a square wave. Sorry for that. We have now a simple square wave. So what you do is you need to find the tuning. We're gonna go for coarse tuning and we're gonna set it to a sample and hold. What is a sample and hold? A sample and hold is a ability that you can create a random thing. So like you have the pitch and you make it randomized. So if we get sample and hold and get the coarse and put it to SNH. Great. So that's not how a Protogen sounds. So we're gonna put up the speed a bit. And we're gonna make it a bit less. We're getting somewhere. This is not the ideal sound we want, but we're getting somewhere. So what we do is go to the output and go to the volume. We go to envelope 2 because I feel like using envelope 2. And we go to envelope 2 and route it to the volume. And now you already got a little random sound. Great! Okay, so we go to envelope 2 and make it. We're getting somewhere, but Protogens are cute, so we need to go up an octave. So, you might think, oh, we're already done, but no, we're gonna add some phase distortion. And if we even want to make it even more spicy, we can go to the Turing knob. So the Turing... why do I call this a Turing knob? So we go to phase distortion and set the amounts to this. Plus this. Oh, oops. I made a fucky. There we go. Now we also have automated the Turing knob. So now sounds will sound the same. Or we can even go do spicy shit with that. Alright. Wow, we're so cool. We just created Protogen Sounds in real life. Okay, so, yeah. Now you think we're done, but no, we're not done. We go to effects section and we add some reverb for some extra coolness. If you want to be an even cooler dude, you can add some fucking distortion. So, we're done! We just created Protogen Sounds.